I knew I had to order the MendMeShop Back and Hip Tshellz Wrap when I saw it. This wrap is designed to provide a blood circulation boost to help ease back pain for people struggling with things like sciatica or bursitis. The instructions in the box are super thorough and make the device an absolute breeze to use. This wrap is also so high quality with a supportive, comfortable neoprene fabric and a circumference of between 28 and 50 inches around. The Velcro straps also make for easy application and fit. It comes with this easy-to-use adapter with 3 temperature settings and an automatic 30-minute shutoff to ensure the user's safety. The 30-minute runtime is also super convenient because it means I get fast relief during my busiest days. Increasing blood flow can be a crucial factor in overcoming inflammation and muscle and tissue injuries, and this is so comfortable and easy to use, it's become a seamless addition to my daily routine. I absolutely love what it's done for my back pain, and if you're interested in learning more, you can visit shop.tshellz.com to get yours today or read up on what they could offer you.